Hello everyone, honorable lecturer and dear friends. Today I would like to talk about an issue that might seem small but has a big impact on our environment and health. Is the smoking on the campus. Have you ever come across people smoking on the campus? What do you think about that? Many people don't realize that one of the contributors to air pollution in Indonesia is cigarette smoke. Cigarette smoke is made up of around 18.5% gas and 15% fine particle that easily enter our lungs. Inside that smoke, there are hundreds of dangerous substances. There's nicotine, which makes people addicted. There's tar, which sticks to and damages the lungs. And there, carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas that should never enter the human body. Smoking might look like simple act, but its impact is hard. Some people believe that smoking helps them to relax or relieve stress, but have they ever thought about what their smoke does to others? The smoke they exhale just disappears. It pollutes the air and harms everyone around them. In my opinion, smoking on the campus shows a lack of respect for others. People who smoke in a public place, especially at school or university, often ignore the comfort and health of those nearby. A campus should be a clean, smoke-free environment where students can learn and grow healthily. Likely, several universities, such as Binasarana Informatika University, have already taken steps to enforce a no smoking policy. This is a great example to follow. The rule not only protects everyone's health, but also helps build a positive culture and discipline among students. After all, campus life is not just about gaining knowledge, it's also about forming good habits and value for the future. If we can get used to maintaining a smoke-free environment while studying, well, naturally bring this habit with us into the workplace and the community later on. I understand that quitting smoking isn't easy. It takes commitment and effort. But remember, every big change starts with small action. Let's start now by creating a campus that not only encourages learning but also shows care for others and for our environment. And when you see someone about to smoke around the campus, remind them kindly. Hey, our campus is a learning space, not a smoking area, because everyone deserves to breathe clean air. Let's work together to make our campus a healthier, smoke-free place for all. Thank you so much if you watched and learned my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about simple present. My name Farris Maharanja. My name is 1925178. First, use. The simple present is a verb tense with two main use. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly, which is why it's sometimes called present. Depending on the person, the simple present tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or is to the end. Example, I love apple pie. Olivia travels during the summer. And then, form. Form in the simple present must regular verb use the root form. except in the third person singular or which end in s. Third person singular, I sing. Second person singular, you sing. Third person singular, he or she or it sings. First person plural, we sing. Second person plural, you sing. Third person plural, they sing. I will explain about simple present positive. The formula to make the simple present positive is subject plus verb 1 plus s or es, s plus object, add s or es to the verb. Explain, he plays football every Sunday. They study English every night. Next, I will explain negative. The formula to make the simple present negative is do or do's plus not plus root form or verb. You can also use the contraction don't or do's instead of do not or do's not. Example, I don't love apple pie. Olivia don't travel during the summer. Next, sentence and structure. The formula to make the simple present sentence structure is subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object or complement. Example, she walks to school. It rains a lot in December. And then interrogative. The formula to make simple present interrogative is do or do's plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, do you play football? Do she play football? Next, passive voice. The formula to make the simple present passive voice is subject plus am or is or are plus verb 3 plus by or plus object. Example, the book is read by many students. The room is cleaned every morning. These cars are made in Japan. Do versus do's. If subject use I, you, we, they. If auxiliary use do. Example question is, do you play guitar? The example answer is yes, I do. If subject use he, she, it. If auxiliary use do's. Example question is, does he play guitar? The example answer is no, he does. And then adding s or es. Rules for third person singular, he, she, it. Add s to first verb. Play to plays. Read to reads. Eat to eats. Add s if verb end in ch, is, ha, ss, x, and o. Example is watch to watches, go to goes, fix to fixes, change y to e plus s if before y is a consonant, like study to studies and try to tries. Example, she goes to school. He watches TV. My brother studies hard. Next, signal words. Typical words used in the simple present like every day, every week, every month. On Monday, in the morning, at night. Example, he study English every day. We play soccer on Sundays. Next, affirmative example or daily routine. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I take a shower every morning. She eats breakfast before school. He studies English at night. They play football after class. My father drives to work. It rains a lot here in November. Explanation. These sentences describe actions that happen regularly. Next, negative example. Example, I don't watch TV at night. She does eat spicy food. He does play games on weekday. We don't go out on Monday. They don't drink coffee. It does snow in Indonesia. Explanation. In negative, the verb always returns to its base form no s or es. And then interrogative example. Example, do you wake up early? Does she drink milk every morning? Do they play football on Sunday? Does he like music? Do we have English class today? Explanation. These are yes or no questions. Remember to start with do or does. And next, simple present for general facts and truth. Example, the sun rises in the east. The earth moves around the sun. Water boils at 100 Celsius. Birds fly in the sky. Cats like milk. Ice melt at 0 Celsius. The human body contains 206 bones. Explanation. Use simple present to express facts that are always true and do not change. Next, simple present for schedules and timetables. Example, the bus leaves at 7 a.m. The movie starts at 9 p.m. My class begins at 8 o'clock. The train arrives at noon. The shop opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Explanation. Simple present is used for fixed schedules or official program, like timetables. Next, example of simple present dialogue talking about like and dislike. Do you like coffee? No, I don't. I prefer tea. Does your sister like coffee? Yes, she does. She drinks coffee every morning. Simple present type. Interrogative. Do you like? Or does your sister like? Negative. I don't. Positive. She drinks coffee every morning. Next, example of simple present dialogue. Talking about hobbies. What do you do in your free time? I play guitar and watch movie. Really? What kind of movie do you like? I like romantic movie. Simple present type. Interrogative. What do you do? What kind of movie do you like? Affirmative. I play or I watch and I like. Well, my explanation about simple present is over. Thank you so much if you watched my video and learn. Thank you and bye bye.